guys just finished the first advanced choice workshop. How do you feel?
Great.
What do you have to say about this experience?
Oh wow. It's been completely out of this world and something like I never could have guessed or expected. The amount of real like experimentation and exploration and pushing past any limitations. We did so many cool things, creative things. It wasn't just about learning stuff, it was about doing stuff. And
yeah, we did this.
yeah, making things happen.
It's pretty cool. What was the coolest thing that you experienced during the workshop?
Everything.
A favorite?
The collective energy for sure. The understanding and realization and play with the collective energy that is so much greater than what we can accomplish by ourselves. When we all got together, I mean, this was 5 days. It was massive, massive energy and love and oneness. Like we were all connected like this big heart dot to dot, you know, it was fabulous. So to be able to play with that energy and really experience that and have that in our bodies as something that's usable is phenomenal.
Like none of us have even sculpted anything before, and we've learned so much about engraving these new beliefs, so really being able to put it to work and see we can do anything that we choose, it was truly such a gratifying experience, and just stepping out of our comfort zone and experiencing parts of ourselves that we shy away from, and doing it together and just feeling like a family. It's been incredible.
Yeah, the connection that I've had with every single individual has been so heart-opening. Everybody here, I would never have imagined that I could relate to them, and I see myself in every single one of these beautiful human beings. Like, these are all my sisters and brothers now. Like, I feel like I've known them forever, and I love them so much, incredibly so much.
That was the amazing experience with the songwriting, of hearing everybody's stories, and we all recognized ourselves in these stories, and the songs that came out, where everybody felt we're touched by them, and we were all like seeing clarity in them, and it all like, yeah, we're all the same. That was like the big thing. We're all the same, and taking that out to the world and meeting people and knowing that we're all just the same. That was incredible.
If you could take away one thing from the workshop that you found, that you learned, that was your favorite thing of all the classes, what would it be?
And I can do fucking anything. I can write a fucking song and record it in one fucking take. I go fucking lying. Like, there's nothing that I can't do. Like, absolutely nothing.
Right.
For me, it was how to dream big, how to feel my dreams, and how to manifest them, how to bring them to life, how to live the dream.
And experience like a full powered 12-hour day and still be buzzing with energy. Just to be able to apply that to anything, especially with the goal of happiness in mind and just doing super cool shit, whatever I wanted to do in my life. The fact that I have that inside of me, we all have that inside of us, we are unstoppable. And it's just to apply it, experience it, prove it to ourselves and each other over and over and over and over again. It's just engraving everything that we've learned and just truly like diving in and going through these layers and like, yeah, it's the experience and just like just busting those muscles out. Yeah.
And how does this workshop compare to the Mythic Voyage?
Well, the Mythic Voyage and even like Choice OS is just, I feel like it's very much a big part of the foundational like really getting like what's going on to be able to apply it here. It's like putting it into movement, which is like to not have the experience of the Mythic Voyage or the Choice OS, which I don't know if we would, but I mean, it's two totally different things, but so crucial to have the Mythic Voyage and the Choice OS. It's like so huge because I mean, look what we have created and look how we're shining and exploding all over the place. And because of that, we're able to like really embody this and really experience this. So it's just like,
Yeah,
so
I agree with Cheryl. Like, Choice OS for me was, you know, getting the foundation and learning how to be happy and, you know, learning what to do to stay happy. But for me, this was like applying it and really engraving it and having real life experiences and living it. Like the whole process through the painting, the sculpting, the songwriting, like what I learned in Choice OS, I was able to apply it more, and now I'm gonna be able to apply it in my everyday life. Like we put it in practice.
Yeah, for me, the Choice OS workshop really got me pointed in the right direction, got me realizing where I was going and being able to make a choice about whether I actually wanted to go there or change direction. But this workshop really got me going in that direction at 1,000 miles an hour. It really pushed it deep inside me that I can go wherever I want to go, as fast as I want to go, when I just let go of all my beliefs that I can't do it and I just try. You know, really push, and I've learned that I have far more energy than I ever believed, and that I can get things done like I never believed. So yeah, I feel like I'm flying on a rocket ship now.
And then of course we're doing it all and having these gigantic breakthroughs and realizations without any plant medicine whatsoever. So we're figuring out how to get it into our bodies and make it super usable, which is phenomenal.
Cool. Ari, do you want to say something?
I have learned that I could sing, which is the last thing I expected. The last thing I expected. And yeah, that I think shows that you can do so much more than you think. And yeah, this is one of the big realizations that I had these 2 weeks. Yeah, really beautiful.
And it's amazing because I feel like what drew most of us to the advanced was grabbing some power tools. And we got so much more. And we expected to leave with more tools to apply the work and everything that we want to engrave and everything we want to push forward in our lives, everything we want to manifest, but I don't think any of us were expecting the tools to be so huge and just like everything is like a multi-headed tool where if you can apply it to one thing, you can apply it to so many things, and it's very exciting. There's like this excitement, this confidence, this like strength that's on our backbones now, and that's, I think, a big difference between the advance and like my family was saying, like the Mythic Voyage and the Choice OS really helps to get clarity on your direction, get clarity on everything in your life, and this is just getting the power tools to like make it happen so much faster, which is what we all want. So it's very nice.
Yeah, one of the like most amazing feeling was coming here knowing that I was going to meet other Argonauts, and that there are so many other people like me that want to move forward with this work. So it was definitely a different feeling coming here knowing that, you know, we're all moving in the same direction.
and on the same page.
Same page.
Speaking the same language.
Yes.
The same symbolic language, yeah. Just the importance of symbology in everything we do, through your actions, and how it's speaking to the world, it's speaking to people around you, and they can feel that. It's not just saying something, but actually feeling it from the heart. It's so crucial what I learned.
So what would you say to other Argonauts if they asked you about the advanced choice?
What do you mean? Get here.
Go down. Go.
Yeah.
Very
You'll
nice.
be blown away. You thought the Mythic Voyage was cool or the Choice OS? Just wait.
This is fun.
Yeah, super fun.
Super fun.
Awesome.
We played hard.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, we played work hard. No, play hard.
Very nice. Very nice. Thanks, guys.
Thanks, guys.